intro. All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and today we're going use Xeon. Now, unfortunately, hopefully the overhead camera will have captured everything I need to edit this video, but I've got a used Xeon. It is a ES26907 AV4, and it's a Machinist Mini ITX motherboard, knocked to a cooler, and was planning on using 64 gigabytes of ECC memory. The purpose of this is strictly for fun. It was just going to be a fun project to do virtual machines like Linux and all that kind of stuff on it. Unfortunately, the motherboard is no good. So this video has just been sucking to make because went through everything without that camera recording. Hopefully I can save it with the overhead shots and I don't have to reshoot because that would suck. Built it up, put the Xeon processor in here, knocked to a cooler on there, you know, NVIDIA graphics card, can't even get it to light up. Like I can't get it to light up. I can power the power supply, it's not hooked up anymore, but I can get it with a jumper to kick on, but the motherboard, nothing lights up. The motherboard is definitely dead. Whether or not my used Xeon is dead, I don't know because, well, it doesn't do anything. I tried a different RAM just to be on the safe side. It was more of a, last ditch attempt because I have memory here, nothing post, it does not light up. So Chinese motherboards strike again. Unfortunately, all this work is for naught. I have to get a different motherboard, so hopefully the next motherboard will actually work and send this one back. But yeah, it does nothing. So the joys of used server hardware and, well, Chinese motherboards. And that's why I was actually doing this as a test boot outside of a case, is because I wanted to be able to prove that it worked before I built up a whole PC and then it didn't work. Which is exactly what would happen if I stuck this into a case and it didn't light up. Now I can't get into the BIOS to know if it's a BIOS incompatibility because literally the screen, nothing lights up when I turn power on. I don't have my power supply is disconnected, but I can't do anything with it. It just literally does nothing. When I turn power onto it, nothing happens. Like I said, I did the jumper trick to make sure the power supply turns on. I hook it to this, nothing happens. So something is wrong here. So joy. Get subscribed if you want to see what happens next with my used Xeon, because that's where we're at. So thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.